Today, I'm showing you how to set up your AI workspace by adding your own API keys. The biggest benefit of using TensorPilot is privacy and cost. Your keys are encrypted locally on your device, and you get access to every major AI model without paying multiple $20 monthly subscriptions. Let's start with Google Gemini. In the AI Providers Setup tab, just click the external link icon next to Gemini. TensorPilot takes you directly to the exact page you need. Click Create API Key, give it a name, and hit Create. Copy that key, head back to TensorPilot, paste it into the box, and click Save. Agree to the usage terms, and you're connected. Right away, you can jump to the All Models tab, filter by Gemini, and see that you've instantly unlocked 17 different models from this single key. The process is identical for OpenAI. Click the link icon, generate a new secret key on their platform, copy it, and paste it back into TensorPilot. Now, if we head back to the All Models tab and select both providers, you can see we have 43 powerful models ready to use. Next, we'll add Anthropic's Claude. Generate the key on their console, paste it in, and you're connected. In seconds, you have the 3 most powerful models running locally. You can do this exact same process for other specialized models like Grok and Cohere to build your ultimate custom workspace. Alternatively, if you don't want to manage multiple keys, you can get one single API key from an aggregator like OpenRouter. Just click New Key, give it a name, and hit Create. Copy that key and paste it back into TensorPilot to get instant access to hundreds of models through one connection. However, the catch is that you will pay a 5.5% extra markup to OpenRouter per token for that convenience. API keys are pay-as-you-go. If you look at the pricing column right here in the All Models tab, you can see the live cost for every single model. You only pay for the exact input, your prompt, and output, the AI's response. And if you don't want to spend any money at all, TensorPilot even has a dedicated Free Models tab, so you can start generating completely free of charge. By using API keys in TensorPilot, you get enterprise-level AI, absolute data privacy, and wholesale pricing all in one app. Download TensorPilot today and set up your ultimate AI workspace.